Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your TikTok account is temporarily suspended. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your account of TikTok is got temporarily suspended, you don't have to worry that much because after a short fixed time period, your account will be reactivated again. Now to make sure to not get this kind of issue from the next time, try checking the community guidelines and following the community guidelines while posting contents, going live and commenting into any post. And now if you want your account back as soon as possible, you should go to Help Center and send a report about the temporarily banned if you haven't done anything that goes against the community guidelines. From here, you just simply have to write down your concern and submit the report. Then your temporary ban in TikTok will be fixed. But at most cases, your ban will automatically be fixed because it's a temporary ban. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the videos.